Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Today we are going to be talking about detox and cleanse. I think all of us, when the new year starts, we all make resolutions. Oh, I want to detox, I want to cleanse. I mean, that's just natural, right? We all want to lose weight, we all want to look good. So many resolutions that come into play, when the new year starts. But so to help all of us, what we want to do is we want to talk about detox and cleanse and how Ayurveda helps. Why is it important for us to detox ourselves or cleanse ourselves internally? Externally, yes, we all do all kind of things, but internal detox and cleanse. So joining me is going to be Karina Gomes. She is an Ayurvedic counselor who is studying right now in India. She's from Brazil, but she's studying in India right now to become an Ayurvedic doctor. And that is what we are going to be talking about, the cleanse part. So let's see, she should be joining me and about why the detox is important, how do you do the detox, why is cleanse important, and what do you do? All these questions we are going to be talking with Karina. There she is. She's joined me right now. Welcome, Karina. Namaste.
Namaste. I just cannot see you.
Well, I can see you just fine, so
It's
don't
just
worry about it. Yeah, we can see you fine. We can see.
but
So I was telling our viewers the topic is how Ayurveda can help with detox and cleanse. And Karina Gomes, who's joined me right now from India, she's originally from Brazil. So maybe you can tell us a little bit about yourself before we go into the detox and cleanse part of it.
yeah, actually I'm from Brazil nowadays living in India, no?
Yeah.
Because I'm doing my BMS and so here I am. Oh, it's a pity I cannot see you, dear. It's
I
just
can,
the
we can,
video is
we
not
can, we can see you. We can see you. So don't worry about it. We can all see.
okay, that's okay.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah. I don't know why, but we can all see you. Don't worry about it. So which year are you in? I mean, how many years are left for you to finish your Ayurvedic doctorate degree?
Yeah, see, I came to India 7 times to study Ayurveda, no?
Okay.
In Kerala. So after that, I started to bring people to study Ayurveda here and to do the Panchakarma. And after that, God decided that I should stay. So my course lasts 5 years and a half, but now I'm in the second year.
Oh, wow, wow. But you're already an Ayurvedic counselor. You've already studied Ayurveda before.
Yes, yes, many years. For 5 years, I'm studying Ayurveda
Oh,
in
wow.
Brazil and here in India. Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about detox and cleanse. So this is the new year, right? All of us start with resolutions. I want to lose 10 pounds, or I want to do this. And detox and cleanse is something that Ayurveda talks about so much. So why do we need detox according to Ayurveda? That's the first thing. Why do we need that?
Yeah, see, that's why I'm starting my detox program now in January because everyone wants to take care of your health, no? Especially in this time, no, so difficult time, and now we can see that health is the only thing that we must, take care a lot. So Ayurveda says that we must keep our digestive fire working very well.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you don't have a good digestive fire, you now and in future you have what we call in Ayurveda ama,
Mm-hmm.
that we can translate like toxins.
Yeah,
So if you cannot digest, your body and your mind will be full of toxins, and in future this will become a disease.
I see.
So this is why we need a detox because we need to enhance our digestive fire and we need to cleanse what's not working now because sometimes we have some small problems like constipation
Mm-hmm.
or some headache, but we
Mm-hmm.
just say no, this is normal.
Yeah.
This is normal, yeah, but we don't pay attention. When we pay attention, we just think that this is normal, but this is not normal, no? We must have a good health and a good life. So that's why we do a detox, just to try to cleanse everything. Also mind, because mind is maybe the most important thing.
Yes, our mind gets cluttered with all the negative thoughts, especially last year during COVID, or even personal relationships. Sometimes, all the mind is kind of, I would say, harbors all the thoughts, whether it's negative or positives. So let's talk about how does detox work and the benefits. You talked about the ama a little bit. What we want to do is we want to make sure the agni is fire keeps lighting up and the ama goes down, right? Um,
Yeah.
what are the benefits like, and we'll talk about how to do the detox after this, but so let's expand a little bit on the benefits of detox of our body, which is the physical body, and the detox of our mind, right? What are the benefits?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, first of all, we must say that when we do a detox, we will detox our physical body and the energetic body and our mind, you know? So when we choose to start this program, even if you don't know, without your knowledge, everything will happen together.
Okay.
So when we decide to do a detox, first we must change our habits,
Hmm.
because Ayurveda says now that you must follow a dinacharya. This is some daily routine, and in this detox program, we start with people a small dinacharya, like wake up early, to scrub the tongue to remove the toxins of the tongue. Take warm water, small things that in the end will become big things. So when we start to do something like this, and also yoga, no? Yoga
Yoga
is a
also.
part
Yoga and
of this
meditation.
detox. Yes, because we need to detoxify everything. So to maintain our mind in this program, we need now this detox, this yoga and meditation. So when we start the program, we are preparing our mind and body all together to cleanse. No, so the benefits are, see, when we start to cleanse, our energy levels goes up,
Hmm.
because usually now, because of corona times, no,
Yeah.
our mind is very crazy, so we are anxious, we are no,
Yeah.
so people are not sleeping well,
Yeah.
they are not eating well, because at home we do many wrong things, no, in our routine. So when we started this detox, in the beginning is not easy, because you have to change,
Hmm.
your habits, but after 3 days, after 4 days, we start to see that your sleep is better,
Hmm.
your mind, you have a more focus, no, your mind is more under control,
Yeah.
and you can see your skin start to become more clean, no, and you can see small things that you can check and you can see in your body. And now we know that this detox is working, and it doesn't matter if you want to lose weight or not. In general, when you start a detox, you start to lose weight,
I see.
because we change our food, no, because Ayurveda says no, keep it simple. So we keep it simple, we change the food, but very basic things, and we eat only when we are hungry,
Hmm.
and that's why we can control and enhance our digestive fire.
That's fascinating. So what you're saying is combination of Ayurveda principles, simple things like drink hot water in the morning, scrape your tongue, then in the morning start with the yoga and pranayama, just to help cleanse your mind, and then eating when you're hungry, right? And eating. So let's say it's a Panchakarma, Panchakarma, the five therapies that the huge that Ayurveda talks about is a detox, but it's very elaborate, right? The Panchakarma part of it. So what I'm, like the Virechana is there, the Vamana is there, right? So those are, and Basti is there. So how can someone, like, we can do it at home, like simple things like you're talking about, just on a high level. Like, should we start putting oil in our nose? You know what that Nasya talks about? So that's what I think we want our viewers to really understand, simple things. And then we are also going to be launching the program soon, but simple things that can make a difference from your point of view.
Yeah, see, first of all, we should say that this detox is not Panchakarma, no?
Yes.
Panchakarma, we need to go, yeah, to the hospital and follow everything.
Yeah.
Purva Karma, no, before the Panchakarma, after Panchakarma, we have to follow many rules. It's a
Yeah.
very elaborated process.
Yes.
This detox is kind of simple that we can do at home, like you said.
Yeah.
So, yeah, when we go to Panchakarma, we need more. It's not so easy, you know. At home, we don't do it. So, this detox, we change small habits
Mm-hmm.
that we have now, or we start to create new changes, and your body, in the end, will be. How can I say, he will be more friendly with
Mm-hmm.
these changes. And
Mm-hmm.
after detox, usually people just go and they keep doing it. They keep yoga classes, they keep scraping the tongue, they keep doing because they see now the results. So it's very beautiful, and it's only 7 days, no? It's so quick.
No. I understand that. I just want our viewers to understand clearly, like, what are the different simple steps, right? Simple steps is like, we can go online and see, like, people talk about khichdi. Khichdi is nothing but moong dal and beans, put together. So that's what they say, you have to eat khichdi for a few days, eat ghee in the morning, scrape your tongues, and then, drink warm water, do yoga. I mean, just simple things. So what I'm trying to understand from you is that I understand on a 7 day, but what are the simple things that you recommend?
Okay. Now I got it. Now I got it.
Yeah,
It's because I cannot see you. I'm just listening, and
that's
sometimes
okay.
I lose.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, see. We started the talks with the yoga practice at 6 a.m.
Oh,
No?
okay.
6 a.m. we start.
Yeah.
Yeah. And after that, the people goes to do their things in the bathroom, no? So after that, they will take warm water with 2 teaspoons of ghee
Oh, wow.
because we need some oleation on
Yeah.
inside.
Yeah.
No, we cannot be, Ayurveda say we cannot be so dry. No, we need
Yeah.
something oily.
Yeah.
So after that, they go for a like a smoothie, no, like, but uh, how can I say in English? Bitter,
Uh,
with bitter,
Bitter tea
yeah,
or tea
bitter
that is
tea,
bitter.
and
Yeah. Wow. Like like
yeah,
like
because
bitter gourd or cave.
like
Some of
bitter
these
gourd,
things.
yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
That yes, that's fine. And see, if this person they used to do fasting,
You fasting.
I say to them, just jump the breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
If if it's okay for them. If it's not, I think they can go for a breakfast, but very simple things, like almonds, something like this, very simple. In the lunchtime, see, in some days we will do some oleation,
Yeah.
external oleation also.
Oh,
Not in the
external
beginning,
oleation.
but in
Yeah.
the middle. In the middle, we do some oleation, and every day before sleep, we will apply oil in our feet
Okay.
because this decrease now the anxiety and the sleep will be better. But external oleation we start in the middle. So after that, they go for lunch,
Yeah.
but very simple, like you said,
Yeah.
rice, vegetables, dal,
Yeah.
just this, but we use too many spices. Now we must use spices
Yes.
because we need our digestive fire working.
Correct.
So for that we use many spices and too much tea also during the day.
Or tea.
So
Tea. Yeah.
tea during the day,
Yeah.
warm water during the day, only warm water because if we want to cleanse, we
Yeah.
need this warm water. And after lunch, if they are hungry, they can eat something very light in the afternoon. Otherwise, no.
Okay.
So, and in the end of the day, in the dinner, they go for a soup.
I see.
But
Dal
very
soup, like a lentil
simple.
soup, a dal soup. Yeah.
The soup, rice with vegetables and the spices.
Okay.
But everything very simple and easy to do. This is the most important. Easy to cook,
Yes.
quick, but simple, and this is what we need.
That's right. That's right. No, I think this helps a lot. So, basically, what you're saying is that Ayurvedic lifestyle for at least few days in a year, we eat very simple meals with intermittent fasting. In the morning, you start off with warm water. I just want to make sure warm water with bitter tea, scraping the tongue, doing simple yoga pranayama. And then lunch, you eat something simple like khichdi or something rice and lentils with some vegetables and a little bit snacking, not too much in the morning, followed by a simple soup at dinner time, right? So that you kind of continue for a few days, for at least 7 days, something simple. And oleation, you talked about the internal oleation, the outside oleation, and helps you
Yeah.
cleanse, helps you calm down and using oil under your feet, and even Shirodhara. Shirodhara is very good for you. That has a lot of research behind it, that it helps calm the nervous system. So these are the simple
True.
things what you're suggesting that all of us should do, right? On just the simple things to cleanse ourselves.
Yes, it's very simple, and we are together for 7 days, but usually
Yeah,
people do it for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks because it's so simple and
yeah,
so effective that they just go on.
yeah.
But and they start, you know that we need. My goal in this detox is more than the cleanse
Yeah,
is to keep the mind ready and keep our mind more stable, no?
that's right.
And when we have this mind, when we try to control, no, it's not possible to control, but when we try to do it, the life becomes more easy, no?
Yeah,
Because we can do with everything. So after, when they finish, they can realize that Ayurveda is day by day.
yeah.
Day by day, we are changing and we go to try to avoid the disease.
That's beautiful. I think that's absolutely beautiful. So this is so all of you who are watching or who will watch later, try to do something simple in the beginning to help yourself. And then, if you need a guided thing, we are coming up with programs soon. But try to do something simple to help you cleanse internally and externally. And don't forget, do some simple yoga exercise in pranayama. With that, we'd like to wrap up this session. Happy New Year to everyone. Namaste. And hope we can have a healthy new year this year, all of us, with simple lifestyle, a holistic lifestyle. Thank you so much, Karina. Namaste, namaste for joining us.
Namaste. See you
And
soon.
yes, and if anyone has any questions, you know how to get hold of you. This is Amita signing off. Bye bye.